Today, I'll show you how to refresh Protonmail so you can quickly check for new messages and make sure your inbox is fully up to date, whether you're waiting on an important email or just like keeping things in sync. This will be a quick and simple walkthrough you can follow along with. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other modern browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top of the window, type in protonmail.com and press enter. This will take you to the main Protonmail website. If you're not already signed in, you'll see the Protonmail login page. Go ahead and log in with your username and password, just like you normally would. Take a moment to confirm that you're on the official website by checking the address bar for the correct URL and looking for the secure connection indicator, usually a small lock icon. This is a good habit to protect your account and your privacy. Once you're logged in, you'll land in your Protonmail inbox. This is the main screen where your incoming emails are listed. You should see your folders or labels on the side, and in the center, your messages sorted by date. To refresh your Protonmail inbox, look toward the top area of the inbox view. You'll see an icon that looks like a circular arrow or a standard reload symbol. This is the refresh or reload icon specifically for your mailbox, and it's what you'll use to check for new messages without leaving the page or reloading the entire browser tab. Move your cursor over that reload icon and click it once. When you click, Protonmail will reach out to the server and check for any new emails that have arrived. Since you last loaded the inbox, you might see a brief loading indicator or a small change near the top of the message list while it updates. After a moment, your inbox will be refreshed. Any new messages that have come in should now appear at the top of your message list. If nothing new shows up, that simply means there aren't any new emails at the moment. You can click the reload icon again anytime you want to manually check for updates. If you're actively waiting for an email, you can keep your inbox open and periodically click that reload icon to stay up to date. This is often more convenient than refreshing the entire browser tab, and it keeps you focused on your inbox view. That's really all there is to it. Go to protonmail.com, sign in if needed, and use the reload icon in the inbox tab to refresh your mail. With this simple action, you can make sure you're always seeing the most recent emails in your Protonmail account. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay this walkthrough if you want to see the steps again while you do it yourself.